A genogram is a part of the family assessment process. Genogram is a graphical representation of a person's family, relationships among family members, and medical and mental health histories. Genogram is more detailed than a family tree because it contains more information about the family and each member. In this video, I will describe how to both construct a genogram and elicit relevant information from a family during assessment. There are 3 steps in making a genogram. 1. Mapping the family structure. 2. Recording family information. And 3. Outlining family relationships. A genogram's foundation is a pictorial representation of how various family members are biologically and legally related to one another from generation to generation. This map is made up of symbols that represents people. So not surprisingly, clinicians draw genograms in a variety of ways. So therefore, different organizations have different favored symbols and ways of dealing with complex family constellations, which often leads to confusion in reading other genograms. So now let us use the following standardized symbols. Basic symbols carry necessary information of a person: gender, birth, age, sexual orientation, and pregnancy situation. For the index person or identified client around whom the genogram is constructed, the lines are doubled. Each family member is represented by a box or circle or inverted triangle according to their gender: gay, lesbian, bisexual man, bisexual female, transgender female to male, transgender male to female. This is used to symbolize a pregnant woman, and these are used for miscarriage and abortion. Male and female stillbirth. The symbol is used for married couples. They are connected by lines that go down and across, with the husband on the left and the wife on the right. M, followed by a date, indicates when the couple was married. Sometimes only the last 2 digits of the year are shown. Example, they got married at the year 1987. You write them M.97. If a couple has children, then each child's figure hangs down from the line that connects the couple. Children are left to right, going from the oldest to the youngest. Dotted line is used to connect a foster child to the parent's line. And finally, converging lines connect twins to the parental line. If the twins are identical, a bar connects them to each other. The marriage line is also the place where separations or divorces are indicated. The slashes signify a disruption in the marriage: 1 slash for separation and 2 slashes for divorce. A married couple that is no longer living together: 1 backslash for separation. A married couple that is separated and is on their way to legal separation: 1 forward slash. One of the spouses died during the marriage. 2 individuals are living together or in a cohabitation relationship: dotted lines. 2 individuals are cohabitation relationship and now separated: dotted lines with backslash. Multiple marriages add a degree of complexity that is sometimes difficult to depict. A husband separated from his wife, separated from the cohabited relationship, and currently with a new cohabited relationship. A wife separated from his husband and currently with a new cohabited relationship. Genogram symbols usually display the date of birth above the box. The inside of the symbol will hold a person's current age. Put the name of the individual underneath. For a person who is dead, an X is placed inside the figure. Above the box are the cause of death, dates of birth and death. The person's death age will be written on the inside of the symbol. The third level of genogram construction is the most inferential. Emotional relationship symbols are used to describe the emotion bond between any two individuals in the genogram. So look at the symbols. Usually, green means a family member is in a harmonious relationship, while red implicates the conflicts between them. So be careful. If you happen to see the blue lines in the diagram, there are domestic abuses in this family. Now that we covered the fundamental symbols and procedures for creating a genogram, let us put them into actions by making use of my family structure.